Your doors do a lot more than open and close. They protect your home, contribute to energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and provide daily comfort and security. For homeowners in Taylor, where weather shifts and everyday wear can take a toll, knowing when it's time for door replacement can save you money, improve comfort, and prevent bigger issues down the road. So how do you know when your doors are past their prime? Here are the key signs to watch for. Drafts and rising energy bills. If you feel cool air sneaking in during winter or hot air creeping inside during summer, your doors may no longer be sealing properly. Gaps, warped frames, or worn weather stripping allow outside air to enter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In Taylor homes, where temperature changes can be noticeable, this often leads to higher energy bills. A new, properly fitted door can significantly improve insulation and help stabilize indoor temperatures year-round. Difficulty opening or closing doors should open and close smoothly. If yours sticks, drags on the floor, or won't latch correctly, it may be more than a minor annoyance. These issues often indicate warping, frame damage, or settling in the home. While small adjustments can help temporarily, persistent problems usually mean replacement is the best long-term solution. Visible damage or wear cracks, splits, rust, dents, or peeling materials are clear signs your door is aging. Wooden doors may show signs of rot or moisture damage, while metal doors can corrode over time. In Taylor's climate, exposure to sun, rain, and humidity can speed up deterioration. Once structural integrity is compromised, replacement is safer and more cost-effective than repeated repairs. Excessive noise from outside. If street noise, neighbors, or outdoor sounds seem louder than they used to, your doors may not be providing adequate sound insulation. Older doors often lack the solid cores and tight seals found in modern designs. Replacing them can make your home noticeably quieter and more comfortable, especially if your property is near busy roads or growing neighborhoods. Outdated appearance. Your front door plays a major role in your home's first impression. If it looks outdated, faded, or no longer matches your home's style, it may be hurting curb appeal. Many Taylor homeowners choose door replacement not only for function, but also to refresh their home's appearance. Modern doors come in a wide range of styles, finishes, and glass options that can instantly elevate your exterior. Security concerns. Older doors often lack modern security features. Weak frames, worn locks, or thin materials can make your home more vulnerable. If you don't feel confident in your door's ability to protect your family, replacement is a smart investment. New doors are designed with reinforced frames, stronger cores, and advanced locking systems that provide added peace of mind. Frequent repairs. If you're constantly fixing hinges, adjusting the frame, replacing hardware, or sealing gaps, those repair costs can add up quickly. When maintenance becomes frequent, replacing the door often makes more financial sense and delivers better performance in the long run. Making the right choice for your Taylor home door replacement isn't just about fixing a problem, it's about improving daily life. A new door can enhance comfort, reduce energy costs, increase security, and boost your home's value. If you're noticing one or more of these signs, it may be time to explore replacement options tailored to your Taylor home's needs. Investing in the right door today can mean years of comfort, efficiency, and confidence tomorrow.